Welcome to Middleton Lodge, a landmark 414 square metre residence sitting on a 2,416 square metre site. This historic retreat is perfect for those in search of a stunning, classical residential home within close proximity to the city. Meticulously renovated and restored, Middleton Lodge is set down a private driveway and is nestled amongst manicured gardens and grounds, consisting of 5 double bedrooms, 2 ensuite bathrooms, both with dressing rooms, a main bathroom, 2 generous family rooms, a media room cum office, designer open plan kitchen dining, laundry room, an oversized double garage and workshop with internal access, partially double glazed throughout, radiator heating, wood burner on a wetback, plus a separate 1-bedroom self-contained modern apartment. A home with heritage. It was originally built in 1863 with a new extension added in 2006. Impressive in its gracious proportions and traditional grandeur, this magnificent home is a haven of space and character. It provides grand interiors, a private outdoor area, and an intimate sense of privacy. A very special and unique property that offers limitless possibilities for all.